Welcome to the mysterious and captivating world of rays. Often known as the gentle giants of the ocean, rays are some of the most fascinating creatures in the underwater world. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into their world, exploring everything from their unique anatomy and behavior to their incredible adaptations that make them masters of the seas. Stay tuned to learn more about these majestic creatures and the important role they play in our marine ecosystems. Rays belong to the group of cartilaginous fish, which means their skeletons are made of cartilage rather than bone, just like sharks. There are over 600 species of rays, each adapted to different environments, from shallow coastal waters to the open ocean. The most well-known types of rays include manta rays, stingrays, and eagle rays, all of which have their own unique characteristics. Manta rays, for example, are the gentle giants of the ray family. They can grow up to 23 feet in width, and despite their enormous size, they feed mainly on plankton, tiny organisms that drift in the ocean. One of the most striking features of rays is their flat, disc-shaped body, which allows them to glide effortlessly through the water. Their wide pectoral fins, which look like wings, help them steer and swim gracefully. Did you know that rays are actually closely related to sharks? Both belong to a group called elasmobranchs. Unlike most fish, rays have their gills located on the underside of their bodies. This unique adaptation helps them breathe while resting on the ocean floor. They use spiracles, small openings behind their eyes, to pump water over their gills, allowing them to breathe even when they're not moving. While rays are generally peaceful, some species, like the stingray, have a more dangerous reputation. Stingrays are often found near sandy bottoms, where they use their flattened bodies to blend in with the environment. However, what really sets them apart is the venomous barb located on their tails. The stingray's tail acts as both a defense mechanism and a tool for hunting. If threatened, they can use the sharp, venomous barb to protect themselves from predators. Though rare, stings from these rays can be quite painful to humans, which is why it's important to respect their space if you ever encounter one. Manta rays, on the other hand, are true gentle giants. Despite their large size, manta rays are completely harmless to humans. Instead of barbs, they rely on their intelligence and agility to avoid predators. Manta rays are filter feeders, swimming with their mouths open to collect plankton and other small organisms. One of the most mesmerizing behaviors of manta rays is their ability to perform barrel rolls while feeding. This graceful motion allows them to stay in areas rich with plankton and maximize their food intake. Watching a manta ray perform this underwater dance is truly a sight to behold. Rays play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Many species, like stingrays, help to keep the ocean floor in balance by feeding on crustaceans and small fish hidden in the sand. Their movements can even help to aerate the seabed, which promotes the growth of marine plants. Rays also have symbiotic relationships with other marine species. Cleaner fish, for example, often accompany rays, feeding on parasites and dead skin, which keeps the rays healthy and clean. Despite their importance to the ocean, rays face numerous threats, both from human activity and environmental changes. Overfishing, bycatch, and habitat destruction are some of the main threats facing rays today. Rays, especially manta rays, are often targeted for their gill plates, which are used in traditional medicine in some parts of the world. Fortunately, conservation efforts are underway to protect these gentle creatures. Marine sanctuaries and protected areas have been established to provide safe habitats for rays. In addition, research and tagging programs are helping scientists better understand their migration patterns, behavior, and population numbers, which is essential for their conservation. Now, before we wrap up, here are some fun facts about rays that you might not know. Fact 1. Rays can fly out of the water. Some species, like mobula rays, are known to leap out of the water in dramatic displays, though scientists are still unsure why they do this, whether it's to communicate, shake off parasites, or simply for fun. Fact 2. Manta rays have the largest brain-to-body ratio of any fish, making them incredibly intelligent. They are even capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, a trait only seen in a few species including humans, dolphins, and great apes. Fact 3. Some rays, like the electric ray, can generate electricity. These rays use special organs in their bodies to deliver shocks to stun prey or defend themselves from predators. Rays are truly incredible creatures, full of mystery, beauty, and intelligence. They remind us of the intricate balance of life in the ocean and why it's so important to protect these ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this underwater adventure. If you enjoyed learning about rays, make sure to like and subscribe for more exciting wildlife content. Let's continue to explore and protect the wonders of our natural world, one video at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and take care of our oceans.